Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Angry IP scanner. Now Angry IP scanner is a network scanning tool, and it's compatible with many different operating systems. Like, I'm on the web page of the IP and Angry IP scanner. It's simply angryip.org, and you can go to the downloads link. And right now I'm on the Linux page, but if I go back, you see that it has the software is available for Linux systems, Mac, Windows, and you can even get the source code and compile yourself. Now I'm using a Centos 7 and a 64-bit machine, so I come here, and here it's a Centos 7, so it's RPM based package, and you see that there is a 64-bit package and a 34-bit package. Since I'm using the 64-bit package, I'm just going to click on it to download it and save it. Now I have already downloaded in my local computer, so I'm just going to hit cancel. But if you are doing this and following the video, you would hit OK, and depending on your speed, it's only 2 megabytes. It shouldn't take you a whole lot to download this package. Now once you have this, you can come back here, and the way I like to install the RPM packages these days is like, I make sure I do a ll command, and I make sure that I got the package that I need, and that's the IP scan 3.5.2-1 i386 version that I needed. So once I have this package, then actually no, that's the 32-bit version. I needed this version. Once you have that, you would run the sudo yum localinstall ipscan and then 3.5.2-1.x86 underscore 64.rpm. And because you're using yum, it's going to resolve any of the dependencies that you need, and it's going to install it for you. So once the installation is complete, you can just go to the applications and then activities overview, and here you can do Angry IP scanner. Once you click on it, it's going to open up, and it's going to give you some default IP range in here. Now in my home network, I'm using 192.168.0. Let's start with 1 to 192.168.0 255. It's a very common IP address. You're probably using something like that, and I'm just using this as an example to scan my own network and see how many computers in my house are using this network address, or net mask in the network range. So once you have that, you can simply click on start, and right now it's scanning everything, and the scan is actually pretty fast. Like, it's scanning 255 different computers, and it's going to tell me the host scans 254 and number of alive hosts is 3. Now you can see then 192.168.0.1 is definitely is my router. Most of the time that's the gateway. You start with the first IP. It doesn't have to be that way, but most of the time it is the case. Now this one is actually telling you it's in my house someone using a Mac. It's a MacBook Pro, and that MacBook Pro is using an IP 192.168.0.5, and here 192.168.0.10 is another IP that's also live, and this is probably my IP at the moment in my Centos machine. So pretty much that's all, and there are some other tools that you can do. You can copy the details, you can click on show details, you can change the preferences in some way that suits your needs best. But this is a quick and easy tool. If you are not used to using the nmap, you can quickly use this tool to get the information that you need for network scanning purposes. Well, that's all I wanted to share, today with you guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.